Right here, it's looking really good in my favor, and I'm going to anticipate this downtrend breakout so we can get it moved to intraday highs, which is at 783. Watching, looking really good in my favor. A lot of buyers stepping up on the level 2 in times and sales. You guys can see that on the right side of the screen. There is a lot of green stepping up right here compared to the red. So there is a lot of shares being bought. There was just a 7,000 share seller right there, but we'll see if we can squeeze through that short seller or slash seller. It can be either one. There we go. There we go. Watching for a continuation up here. There's a 70,000 share buyer at 750. Especially on this kind of volume, that is such a huge support we need on the level 2 for buyers to step up and hold the price up. So can we get over 8? Watching for a move. We're getting some wicks to the downside. That's not a good sign because the more we touch that buyer, the more shares that buyer gets filled. And once that buyer gets filled, then the price can move to the downside. So we need that buyer to hold his position right there so we can bounce off of that buyer, break through 8, and have a continuation over intraday highs, which is now at 795. We did break it before, which was 786. Watching for a move right over here. It's looking really good in my favor. A lot of buyers stepping up here on the level 2 times in sales. You saw a lot of green. You saw a burst of green on the right side. Now we're moving up. Look at that move. I'm not selling yet. I'm usually a scalper, but look at these candles with volume. Such strong volume in this stock. And the stock is up 90%. It isn't a lot, and it isn't what I like to look for typically in a small cap, but the pattern looked good. There was a lot of buyers stepping up on the level 2, and times and sales look good. Volume was great, and that's pretty much it. That's as long as it fits a lot of the criteria I go for in my strategy. I'll go for the position, but I'll scale a little bit down on size. So can we get this is a 1 minute candle pullback pattern. If we can break over this previous 1 minute candle's high, it's a great momentum shift to the upside. Yes, there we go. Can we get a quick spike? That's completely fine if we start chopping around over here. What I'd really like to see is if we can close above the previous 1 minute candle's high, right around 842. This can be on any candle. Yes, okay, there we go. Now we just need to close above it with strong momentum to the upside. Watching this move right over here. It's completely fine. Yes, yes, there we go. Now can we close above it? Look at that move. Wow. We're going into a haul. Cheers, Phil.